Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today is Sunday, July 11th, 2022, and today I'm discussing improving air ventilation in K-12 public schools. But first, I want to have a personal message. We're halfway into the year 2022, and I just want to say thank you for taking the time to listen to what I have to say. You have other things to do with your time, I know, and many of you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, or you listen to my videos on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, and I just want you to know that I appreciate you. I will never take you for granted or deliberately misinform you knowingly. I may be wrong at times, and I'll correct information that I have shared if it's inaccurate, and I do this as a volunteer service with one purpose in mind: to help save lives during this pandemic. Now I'm going to move on to this topic. School is out for most public students in the United States, although some schools will restart soon. And we know that last year COVID outbreaks occurred in many schools, leading to school closures and return to remote learning. Now, many schools have done away with prevention strategies such as masking, and social distancing is hard to do anyway in schools. So improving air ventilation is one of the few prevention strategies that school systems can implement to help reduce the spread of COVID. So summertime is a prime time for schools to improve ventilation before the upcoming school year. But are they doing anything is the question. I don't have the answer. So here's some information that might be of interest to you. The CDC recently published in their June 10th issue of their MMWR article results from a national web-based survey that was administered to K-12 public school administrators from February 2021 to March 2022 of the school year. Now, there were only a 20% response rate, and what I'm sharing is the results of 420 school administrators who responded to the survey. But the questions asked were what actions were being taken by the schools to improve ventilation. And the results showed that the most frequent ventilation improvement strategies were low-cost strategies, including relocating activities outdoors, inspecting existing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, that's shorthand for HVAC, and opening doors or windows when safe to do so. Only 1/3 of schools approximately reported replacing or upgrading their HVAC systems, and only 1/4 of the schools used high-efficiency particulate air filtration systems, those HEPA air filters, in classrooms or eating areas, and after all, that's where the kids are. So the authors concluded that there were inconsistent approaches to improving ventilation across the schools, and the author suggested that levels of safety in the school surrounding environments may help dictate what the schools are doing around opening windows and doors. So, we're in this environment now with heightened concern about mass school shootings. So I'm concerned that this may lead to less opening of doors and windows for some school buildings in the upcoming school year. And if few schools have the resources to upgrade their ventilation systems or place portable filters in classrooms and eating areas due to lack of resources, I suspect efforts to improve ventilation in public schools will be inadequate. I do hope that I'm wrong. But I do have a suggestion for parents who may be listening to contact your school system, your principals of your school or supervisors of the school system, to learn what efforts are underway to improve ventilation at your child's school, because improving ventilation can help reduce the spread of COVID and prevent school closures and help preserve kids learning in the classroom and not at home. That's my message today. Stay safe and take care.